today? NDFA to DFA. Okay. Now, hope everybody understood what is DFA and what is NDFA. Any confusion, anybody? Okay. What is the main difference in DFA and NDFA? The main difference in DFA and NDFA is, okay, in DFA, with one input at any state, you can reach to only one state, next state. But in NDFA, with single input, you can reach to more than one state. That's what the main difference for DFA and NDFA is. Now, suppose that there is a question and there is a table for NDFA. I'm writing this question. There is a table for NDFA, state 0, 1. These are the inputs and these are the states. So suppose that you have only two states, Q0 and Q1. And Q0 is the final state as well as the initial state. With 0 you are reaching to Q0 and with 1 you are reaching to Q1. And with Q1 you are reaching with 0 input Q1 and with 1 input you are Q0 and Q1. So why this is NDFA? Can anybody tell me? This is the transition table for NDFA.
So because at input.
Sir, at Q1 there are two states.
Yes, with the Q1, one input, we have more than one output, that is Q0 and Q1. So though this will not come in the question, but then also we are making one transition diagram, equivalent transition diagram, so that you should understand in more better way. Just for that, this question, if you have the transition diagram, so how can you make the transition diagram? So suppose that you have Q0, initial state as well as final state. So this. Now, what should we do? With 0 input, where are you going? Q0 only. With 1 input, you are going to Q1. Now with Q1, 1 input, 0 input, where are you going? Q1 itself. And with 1 input, you are going to Q0 and Q1. That is Q0 and Q1. So this is the equivalent transition diagram. This is called transition diagram. And this is your transition table. Now, question is convert the above NDFA into equivalent DFA into equivalent DFA. So first thing, what will you do? First thing, what will you do? You will make a table again, like state sigma with 0 and 1. Now this we are going to make the equivalent DFA. So this table we are making it. You will always start with the initial state. You will always start with the initial state. Okay. So what is the initial state here?
Q0.
So Q0.
Q0. So what will you write? Q0. And this we'll write in this form. We'll use this bracket. Okay. Now tell me, with Q0, 0 input, where are you going?
So Q0.
And with 1 input, you are going
Q1.
So you will always write the first one. You don't have to write after that. So first row in your equivalent DFA will be the initial state of NDFA table. Okay. Now you will make sure, listen carefully, you will make sure whatever you have written here on right hand side in the input stream should be in this state as well. So now here with Q0 in this row, you have on right hand side Q0 and Q1, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So but Q0 is present here. Q0 is present here. Q1 is present
Yes.
here. Q1 is not present here.
No, sir.
So you will write this Q1 here. Now with Q1, where are you going? Q1 0 input, where are you going?
So Q1.
And Q1 1 input, where are you going?
So Q1 or Q0, right? How do we convert?
Q0 and Q1 both,
Yes,
isn't
sir.
it? You are going there. Now tell me on the right hand side, this Q0 is available here. This Q1 is available here now. This Q1 is also available here. But is this together Q0, Q1 available here in the state form?
No, sir.
So now you will write here Q0, Q1 together. So what does it mean? Whatever is coming in this output section of the table should be in this state as well. So now Q0, Q1 with 0 input, where are you going? Q0, 0, Q0, Q1, 0, Q1, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Now with 1 input, Q0, 0, Q0, 1,
Yes, sir.
Q0, 1, you are reaching to Q1.
Sir, again
Q1,
Q0. Just you take it to Q0, Q1.
Q0, Q1. So now Q0, Q1, if you are writing, so Q1 will be repeated or not at
Yes,
same
sir.
place. So that redundancy, you will remove it. So you got Q0, Q1 again.
Yes, sir.
This is equivalent to Q0, Q1. So you can write here Q0, Q1. Now tell me whatever is on right hand side Q0 is on left hand side, Q1 on left hand side, Q0, Q1 is on left hand side. Anything else which is on right hand side is not here on left hand side?
No, sir.
Everything is there. Means this is the equivalent DFA. This is the equivalent DFA. Now can we make the equivalent transition diagram for this DFA? Then you will see with single input you are reaching to single output. So now how many states you have together?
So 3 states, including
Three,
Q0.
3 states. So which 3 states? Q0, Q1 and Q0, Q1.
Q0, Q1.
Now, which one will be the initial state? Which one will be the final state?
So Q0 is initial state, Q0, Q1
Q0
final
is the
state.
initial state and Q0 is the final state as well, isn't it? And this will also be the initial state and final state. So wherever final state is available, that will be the final state, and wherever initial state will be available, that will be the equivalent initial state as well. So now how many initial states you have? 2, means from anywhere you can start, either Q0 or Q0, Q1. So this is your diagram, equivalent transition diagram. Now, where are you reaching? You have Q1 and suppose that you have Q0, Q1. Okay. This is also your initial state. So this is your final state as well. Since Q0 was final state and Q0 is present here, so this will also be the final state. Okay. Now with Q0, 0 input, where are you going? Q0 only. Q0, 1 input, where are you going? Q1. Q1, 0 input. Q1. Q1, 1 input. Q0, Q1. Q0, Q1, 0 input. Q0, Q1. And Q0, 1 input. So this is your equivalent DFA. Any confusion, anybody? Should we do one more example? Then you will understand in more better way.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I will give one more example. Let's take one NDFA that is question convert following NDFA into equivalent DFA, and your table is given like this. Hope it is visual to everybody.
Yes, sir.
You have two inputs, 0 and 1. So suppose that you have Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. 4 states are there. Q3 is your final state, Q0 is your initial state. With Q0, 0, you are going to Q0, Q1, and with 1, you are going to Q0. Let's take it, okay, 0 and 1. So Q0, Q1 and Q0. Now Q1, 0, you are going to Q2. And Q1, 1, you are going to Q1. Q2, 0, you are going to Q3. And Q2, 1, you are going to Q3. And Q3, 0, nothing means dash. And Q3, 1, you are going to Q2. So suppose that this is your NDFA table. Okay. This you have to convert into equivalent DFA. So what will you do first thing? You will make a table like state and input. Input is 0 and 1. So which one do you write in the equivalent DFA? The first row where initial state is there, isn't it? So Q0, Q0, Q1 and Q0. Guys, if you will respond, then only I will understand whether you are understanding or not.
Yes, sir.
Is this clear why we are writing this first row only?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what is the second step? Do we need to write anything, any row from the first table? No. Now we will go with this only. Now we will check everything in the output section, and this you will write like this. Everything in the output section should be in the state as well. So which one you have? You have Q0 is here, is available, but Q0, Q1 is available here.
No, sir.
So what will you write next?
Q0, Q1.
Here you will write Q0, Q1. So now for Q0, Q1, what is the input? A. What is the equivalent output for input A? For Q0, you can write Q0, Q1, and for Q1,
Q2.
Q2.
Q2. Done. Now check for one input. Q0 one input, Q0, and Q1 one input, Q1, this one. Done?
Yes, sir.
What will be next step now? Now this Q0, Q1 and Q0 both are here. This Q0, Q1 is also here. Means only one state which is Q0, Q1, Q2 is not here on left hand side. This one. Is it available here?
No, sir.
So it should come here. So what will you write? Q0, Q1, Q2. Now tell me the output here.
Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3,
Q0,
Q1,
Q2,
Q2, Q3.
Good. So Q0, 0, you'll write Q0, Q1, Q1, 0, Q2, and Q2, 0, Q3. That's how you got it. Okay. Now for one input, what will be output?
Q0, Q1, Q3.
Q0, Q1,
Q3.
Q3. Good. Q3. Now tell me on the left hand side, everything is available? No.
No, sir.
Now these two are not available, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So let's take this Q0, Q1, Q3 first. So this one we are taking it here. So Q0, Q1, Q3. So what will be the equivalent output here? Q0, Q1, Q3 with 0 input, what will be the equivalent output? Anyone?
Q0, Q1, Q2.
Q0, Q1, Q2. Very good. Q0, Q1, Q2. And here with one input.
So the same.
Q0, Q1, Q3.
Yeah, same thing. Q0, Q1, and Q2. Now, from this row, this Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3 was not available on left hand side. So we'll write that Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. Now tell me the equivalent output with 0 input for this. It will be same Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. Check for Q0, Q0, Q1. For Q1, it's Q2. For Q2, it's Q3. And for Q3, 0, nothing. So you will get this. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now for one input, what will be output? With Q01,
Q0, Q1, Q3, Q1,
Q1,
Q3, Q2.
Q3, and you can write Q2. So let's write in the sequence Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. Okay. So this you got. Now check. Come here. Next row. So Q0, Q1, Q2. It is available already here. Q0, Q1, Q2. Then Q0, Q1, Q2. It is available here. Then come to next row. Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. It is available here. Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. It is available here. Means everything, whatever was is on the right hand side is available on the left hand side in the state or not?
Yes, sir.
So this is your final DFA transition table. So equivalent DFA transition table. Hope everybody understood. Now can we make the transition diagram? Let's make this transition diagram, equivalent transition diagram. So how many states you have? Q0, Q0, Q1, Q0, Q1, Q2, Q0, Q1, Q3, and then we have Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. These are the four states. Now from Q0, 0, you are going to this state. Q0, 1, you are going to self loop. Q0, Q1, 0, you are coming to Q0, Q1, Q2. And with 1, where are you going? Self loop. Now come to Q0, Q1, Q2. With 0, you are going to Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. And with 1, we are going to Q0, Q1, Q3. Now come to Q0, Q1, Q3. For 0 and 1, both you are going to Q0, Q1, Q2. So for 0, you are coming here. And for 1 as well, you are coming here. Now come for the fourth state, fifth state, Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. With 0 as well, you are coming here. And with 1 as well, you are coming here. So both are self loop.
Sir,
Yes.
instead of drawing two loops, can we just write like 0, 1?
Comma 1 you can write. Comma 1 you can write, but don't write R. In the transition diagram, I will tell you in the transition diagram, one thing is there. Generally, we write that whenever we will do Mealy and Murray machine, we will be doing in the transition diagram. Suppose that you are writing like this. Suppose that Q0, Q1 with 0/1. Suppose that you are writing this. Okay. So you know what will be considered? This will be considered as an input. And this will be considered as an output. These things we will do in Mealy and Murray machine when we will do. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this is all about converting from DFA to NDFA. Hope everybody understood this. Any confusion, anyone? No confusion. So I will consider you have understood it. Now I will be giving one more example to your paper to solve
Sir?
it. So yes,
What is the final state? Which one is the final state for this
wherever
question?
Q3 is there, those things will be final state. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Wherever this final state Q3 is there, that you can consider as a final state. Now one more example I am giving that you have to do now as a self work. And if you don't understand, you can ask me. So I'll be writing the example. Question for self. Self work. Suppose that you have Q0 state AB and input is A and B. So Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. These are the three states. Q0 is the initial state. Here you are reaching to Q1 slash Q3, Q2 slash Q3, Q1, Q3, Q3, Q2 dash dash. So suppose that this is your DFA, NDFA. So construct a DFA equivalent to the following NDFA given in transition table. So please do it, and wherever you are confused, you can ask me. Thank you.